If you want to know how you can add or remove your new email account on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Apps. Now from this app list, just look for the Mail app, then tap on it. Then go to Mail Accounts and select Add Account. From here, you will find the option of Choose from a list. Just tap on it, and from here, just select your email provider. If you want to sign into your Gmail account, just select Google, or if you want to sign into your Outlook account or your iCloud account, just select your email provider from here. Since I want to sign into my Gmail account, I will select Google, then select Open Browser. In this section, just enter your email address. After you enter your Gmail address, then tap on Done. Tap on Next, and over here just enter the password of your email address. After you enter the password of your email address, then tap on Done and select Next. Tap on Continue. Now at the bottom of the screen, just select Continue. Tap on Settings. Now from here, just enable the toggle for the services which you want to activate for your Gmail account. If you want to use your Gmail account to send or receive emails, just enable this toggle over here. Then select Login. Tap on Next. Then enter the password of your email address. Then tap on Done and select Next. Tap on Continue. From here, you can select the services which your iPhone can access, like the access to your Gmail, to your contacts, and to your Google Calendar. And after you do that, then select Continue. Now just do the same with all the other services on your iPhone. And as you can see, we have successfully signed into our email account. Now if you want to remove your email account, in the Mail settings, just tap on Mail Accounts. In our case, I will remove this Gmail account. Just tap on it, then select Delete Account. Select Delete Account. And once you do that, you will remove the email account which you have entered. And this is how you can add or remove your email account on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.